Hey kiddos, it's me. Welcome to my channel. This is an octopus, this is a jellyfish, and this is a seahorse. They all live in the same coral reef and they're all very good friends. One day Ollie the Octopus felt worried about everything. His 8 arms would shake when he felt scared. Today was extra scary. New fish were coming to the reef. Ollie's worries grew bigger and bigger. He curled up tight in a coral reef corner. His tentacles were wrapped around himself and he squeezed his eyes shut. But then he remembered his good friend Jenna the jellyfish. She always seemed so calm and peaceful. She was floating past Ollie right now, and he called out to her, "Jenna, I feel so worried and scared. Can you help me?" "Sure thing, Ollie," said Jenna. She moved up and down slowly. "Watch me float up and down, up and down, up and down. It helps me feel calm and still." Then she swam closer to Ollie. "It's as like I am breathing in with the water as I float up and breathing out with the water as I float down. You try it, Ollie." So the octopus began to move his tentacles. He wanted to be like Jenna. He moved up and down, up and down, up and down. But he started to panic and his ink started to cloud around him. "I can't do it, Jenna, I'm too worried. My breathing is too fast." "Oh, Ollie, just breathe with me," said Jenna. "In with the water, out with the water, in with the water, out with the water." She glowed a soft calming light as she floated up and down. And slowly, Ollie's shaking slowed down. He felt a little bit calmer. Then he saw his other good friend, Sam the seahorse. He was holding onto the coral with his tail. The current was strong today, but Sam was staying steady. "Hey Sam," Ollie said. "How do you stay so calm when the current is so rough?" "I just hold tight to something safe and count 5 things I can see," said Sam. "When worries come, that is." So Ollie mimicked Sam. He held tight to a rock and started to count. 1 yellow fish, 2 shells, 3 corals, 4 starfish, 5 seaweeds. With every breath, he felt a little less worried and a little more calm. Then something amazing happened. All the new fish swam over. They wanted to be friends with Ollie. They were so colorful, and Ollie was so happy he could play with them. He forgot all about his worries. He even forgot he was an octopus. He played with his new fishy friends until the sun went down. They all swam together, up and down, breathing together, and he knew his worries would always get smaller when he breathed, counted, and shared with friends. The end. Hey kiddos, thanks for watching. If you need to calm your worries, remember what Jenna the jellyfish, Sam the seahorse, and Ollie the octopus taught you. Breathe with the rhythm of the ocean, count to 5, and share your feelings with a friend or grown-up. Your feelings are not too big for you. You're not too little to manage your feelings, and you're never too cool to ask for help. See you next time.